Basil is an easy-to-grow, versatile, delicious, warm-weather annual herb that should be included in every summer garden, and just a couple of basil plants will provide plenty of fresh leaves to enjoy with your summer salads and sauces. After any danger of frost has passed, plant your basil seedlings in rich, well-draining soil that has been amended with homemade compost, such as well-rotted chicken manure. This will make your garden soil richer and more nutritious for your basil plants. Once the basil seedlings are at least 4 to 6 inches tall and have several sets of leaves, you can start harvesting the leaves. Using fine trimming snips or careful you can pinch with your fingertips, simply snip off the top portion of the stem and couple top leaves. Do this just above a node, the place where 2 larger leaves are growing out of the stem. In the crook between the leaves and the stem, you should see tiny little leaves growing. Trim right above those. Afterwards, those little leaves will grow into 2 new large branches. I prune my basil plants every 2 weeks or so during the summer to stimulate plenty of growth. Basil benefit from a nutrient boost. Feed your basil plants with a good organic fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. A well-balanced organic fertilizer with equal amounts of nitrogen, potassium, and phosphate will help to boost leaf production. While watering, add water to the base of the plant, avoiding showering the leaves and stems. I suggested to pinch off flowers to encourage more leaves to grow. I pinch basil flowers in the early summer, but as the season goes on, I let my basil flower for the bees. If you let those flowers continue to bloom and then dry out, you can seed save to plant next season. Basil is a fragrant, delicious, warm-weather annual herb that has a home in almost every summer garden. Whether you're looking to make your pesto, enjoy a caprese salad with your homegrown tomatoes, or you simply want to kick your pasta sauce up a notch, basil's versatility makes it a staple herb. Happy gardening!